हाँ, inquiry about the prospective bridegroom, भावी वर के बारे में पूछताछ, bridegroom के बारे में. Hello, Mr. Puri, what a surprise. Please come in and have a seat. Thank you, Mr. Dutt. So, how is everything? Fine. How is your health now? Much better, thank you. What would you like to have, tea or coffee? Nothing, thanks. Actually, Mr. Dutt, I need your help in something. Yes, what can I do for you? Do you know Mr. Kapoor, the assistant manager in your office? Yes, and also the family? Yes, I know them. Actually, we are considering a match between Mr. Kapoor's son and my daughter Renu. मैं मिस्टर कपूर के बेटे और मेरी बेटी रेनू के बीच रिश्ते की बात चल रही है. ओह, आई सी. Could you give me some information regarding the boy and the family? Well, the Kapoors are very respectable people. Mr. Kapoor also is a nice and helpful person. How many members are there in the family? 5. Mr. and Mrs. Kapoor, their 2 children, Rahul and Priya, and Mr. Kapoor's mother, who also stays with him. What does Rahul do? He is marketing executive in Navyug Industries. Where is his office? In Noida. What must be his age? About 26 or 27. What must be his approximate salary? Around 5,000, I think. Could you tell me something about his nature? He is a nice boy, very respectful. Please tell me something about Mr. Kapoor, financial status. I think they are quite well to do. Mr. Kapoor's salary alone must be around 8,000. They live in their own house in Punjabi Bagh. Is their daughter married? No, she is in college. She is younger to Rahul. What about drinking and smoking in the family? Well, as far as I know, neither Mr. Kapoor nor Rahul smoke. About drinking, I don't know. Yes, I understand. Just one last question. Do you think they will have a high expectation in their son's marriage? What can I say about that? It would be better if you ask them yourself. You are right. Thank you very much, Mr. Datta, for your kind help. You are welcome. Okay, I will take your leave now. Please drop in some time. Yes, sure. Bye, Mr. Puri. ऐसे करिए प्रैक्टिस.